Hello and welcome to our channel. Here you will find all available information on when to sell or buy cryptocurrencies, taking into account all the latest crypto news. But before we jump into the crypto news, let's check the cryptocurrency rates as of today, the 28th of March. Bitcoin is traded now at $47,161, and it has shown a great rise for the past 24 hours, 5.75%. And the rise for the past week was 13, almost 14%. Ethereum also shows the rise, $3,340, and the rise has been 6.18% for the past day, 14.67% for the past week. BNB, $434, that is the price of it. The rise has been significant for the past month, 16.2%. For the past day, it was 4.8%. So knowing the rates and what is happening with cryptocurrencies, I actually want to switch to the news that actually shape the rates of digital coins. Bitcoin open interest breaking up as spot market follows. According to data provided by the co-founder of Glassnode on-chain analytics service, the Bitcoin spot market pair was the locomotive of the first cryptocurrencies rally to 45,000, despite the belief that derivatives led the market. The provided spot to derivative ratio saw a significant drop to the value of 1.0, which shows a full correlation between the spot and derivatives markets. But in that event, the data might be inaccurate due to the large purchase in volume provided by one actor only. Previously, the Lunar Foundation announced that it will be buying $125 million worth of BTC every day without disclosing the direct method of acquiring funds. Most likely, large deals will be made via over-the-counter trading to avoid affecting the liquidity level on the market. Greenwich plans to triple US Bitcoin mining capacity after securing $100 million in a new financing. Greenwich Generation Holdings, the owner of a large crypto mining center in upstate New York, has secured $100 million to fund its growing operations in the US. The financing includes an $81.4 million loan from an affiliate on NYDIG and a $26.5 million promissory note with an affiliate of Rallied Financial Inc. The company is planning to triple its data center capacity to 4.7 EH per second this year, with the vast majority of the capacity expansion focused outside of the company's original site in New York, according to a statement issued on Thursday. Top 10 Ethereum wallets now hold 23.7% of total ETH supply. Sentiment on-chain data aggregator has tweeted that since last year, the 10 largest Ethereum wallets have increased their ETH balance, raising it to a total 23.7% of the second biggest cryptocurrency that is circulating out there at the moment. The rise in the ETH balance constitutes 4.3% compared to March 2021. The currency held amount of 23.7% of the total Ether supply is pretty much close to the 5-year high level that these wallets reached in January this year. According to Glassnode, whales have recently removed a staggering $1.4 billion worth of Ethereum from multiple crypto exchanges, compared to $739.7 million of ETH inflows. Thus, the net flow of Ether to exchanges now totals $628.1 million. Just in. Network difficulty bomb for Ethereum expected to take effect in June. The Ethereum blockchain network is on the cusp of adopting a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism. The merge, as the combination of Ethereum's execution and consensus layers is called, is already in its last leg of implementation. And Ethereum begins to work on post-merge upgrades. This is according to an update from Ethereum core developer team Baco. Baco reiterated that the Köln testnet would be the last new public testnet for trying out the merge. The Köln testnet was being monitored as it went through its paces, as he added. Several projects including Cortoz's, Tenderly, Lido, Uniswap, ETHStaker, Infura, and Blockdaemon have been testing their project on the testnet, and developers were on ahead to fix any bugs. Avalanche launches $100 million creator fund with Grimes and Web3 platform Open. The Avalanche Foundation and Web3 social media platform Open announced a $100 million initiative for creatives to build projects on Avalanche as the blockchain network grows its profile with non-crypto natives. Named the Culture Catalyst Initiative, the first of these funded projects paid out in the network's native token AVAX will go towards musician Grimes. The singer, who previously sold $6 million worth of NFTs, plans to create an intergalactic children's metaverse book, which she hopes can follow in the footsteps of the acclaimed Studio Ghibli film My Neighbor Totoro. She was set to announce this project via video link at the Avalanche Summit in Barcelona on Friday. This project and others to come will be exclusively available on the self-described Web3 WeChat Open, founder Jason Ma said in an interview. The platform will also collaborate with singer Avalanche on the upcoming music video. Brazil's second largest city to accept tax payments in crypto by 2023, and that's great news. Rio de Janeiro, Brazil's most populous city, is taking major strides towards becoming a global crypto hub. Rio will become the first Brazilian city to accept property tax payments in crypto starting in 2023. And the news that can actually affect the way Bitcoin is traded now. Dormant Bitcoin whale awakens after almost 10 years. A Bitcoin wallet containing 500 Bitcoins, which is $22.1 million, has been activated after 2.8 years, according to a tweet posted by popular crypto watchdog Whale Alert. Many users started speculating about why whoever owns the wallet waited for so long to bring it back to life. One of them suggested that they simply wanted to delay gratification. Others believe that someone simply finally discovered the hard drive or the private key that made it possible to finally unlock the fortune. If someone had the discipline not to sell Bitcoin at $61,000, it seems unlikely that they would decide to do this at the current price level. And that is kind of weird because, yeah, like somebody waiting for 10 years, actually that person was waiting for the rate to rise. But the problem is that some people really lost their passwords to their account. So some people lost these fortunes and these bitcoins that they had, but it's not about that. Binance doubles down on Altiverse with another $5 million investment. 1 week after leading a $4.5 million seed investment in Altiverse, Binance's venture arm is betting another $5 million on the metaverse gaming startup. Binance Labs, the crypto exchange's venture capital and incubation unit, announced its initial investment in Altiverse in a blog post published on the 18th of March. Defiance Capital called at the raise, with Three Arrows Capital and Sky Vision Capital also invest. The initial $4.5 million raise took the form of a sale of Altiverse's government's token MXS. So that's it for today. I'm waiting for you tomorrow because we'll have more news, more information, and thank you very much for following us. And those who still doesn't do it, you should follow us and like our other videos. Have a good day.